Hi, good morning. How are you today?
Good.
Can you please tell me about your last job?
My last working experience is in the office in a Japanese company as a office clerk and also teaching the basic Japanese. But I have experience in Singapore for 1 year as a nanny and housemaid for three little girls.
And what were your duties and responsibilities normally?
Because I'm with the kids all the time. The age is 4 years old, 2 and 8 months. So the two girls is in the school, so I bring them in school, and while the youngest is with me all the time also. After in school, I went to go for shopping, like grocery, or bring the little one in the play area. And after that, we go back home, prepare their dinner, and after 2 o'clock or before 2 o'clock, I need to go to school to pick up them and bring them to their drama class or sports events, something like that.
Okay. And how long you worked there?
1 year.
For a year. And why you decided not to continue to work there or renew any contract?
Because I have an emergency in Philippines. No, because someone's offered me in Philippines works. That's the office in Japanese company. Because I also experienced in Japan for 2 years. Just like working student.
Mm, okay.
Then after Japan, I went to Singapore for 1 year. Then go back to Philippines, work in a Japanese company.
Okay. And since you're here in UAE, you're looking for a new opportunity here, how much would be your expected salary? I mean, your salary expectations.
1 8.
Okay. And what do you like to do most in the house? Cleaning, cooking, or babysitting?
I used to clean also the house. I
Hmm.
love to clean and also I love baby.
You love to cook as well?
Yes,
And what type of food can you cook?
salad, vegetables.
Okay, no problem. And just a little bit of knowledge about cleaning. Okay, you mentioned you love to clean. What particular products or chemicals do you use in cleaning your toilet?
Uh, Zip, the Clorox, Clorox.
Okay, now in babysitting, how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
It's bad, but I always tell that, okay, finish your foods, then I give you a lolly. Because I used to do that when I'm in Singapore to little kids because they didn't like to finish their food. So I'm always say, okay, just finish your foods, then you had a treat for me.
And what are your hobbies?
Watching, listening to music.
And it's your first time here in UAE, right? Yeah, so it's your first time here, and how many years you see yourself to be here?
As long as they want me.
Okay, so the last question is, do you think you will be a good helper or employee to your employer, and why?
Yes, because I'm a hardworking and I'm a lot of patient and of course I'm a loving person.
Okay, so well, I think that's all. Thank you for the time. Have a nice day.